All right, guys, we have some more progress here in the restaurant. Check it out.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Turn around here to let you see what's going on. How you like this color scheme, guys? I love it. Now we have some plans for these stripes you see here with some darker paint that's more like this. Actually, it's the same as the trim right here. Right here in on the columns. So that's looking good. Everything is getting covered well with all the old tree paint. The old Japanese tree paint. I can still see some coming through over here. But it's going to get another coat, I'm sure, to cover that up. It is coming along nicely, wouldn't you say, Mr. Drake?
It is coming along very nicely. Now, shall I tell them the secret about this paint?
Yeah, tell a secret,
This is
man.
not regular paint. This is melted chocolate.
It does.
So it's dark chocolate, milk chocolate. And when you're in here, you're eating this food, and you want a little dessert, but you don't want to order a big plate. You just lick the wall.
It's like Willy Wonka, right?
Yeah, just lick the wall. Go down here to Poppy's.
Everlasting gobstopper.
Yeah, at the Drake Hotel, go to Poppy's. You can lick the wall. Who else has chocolate walls, right?
Yeah, right. Coffee. Love that coffee, guys. This is coffee color. The coffee color. What do you think, ladies?
Oh, looking beautiful.
Coming along good, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, these guys are doing a great job, hard at work. Doing a wonderful job. You want to be on YouTube? Too late. He didn't know that was in the job description, right? All right, everybody. Stacy's behind the desk. If you need to get a room, that's where she's going to be. We're going to have to get you a step stool, though. You're almost hiding out back there. You're almost. All right, guys, we're back. Back to do another daily progress review on the hotel and restaurant. We got Stacy back here taking care of the front desk, drinking a milk tea from next door. We love those milk teas.
Yeah, they are delicious.
Got to give them a little shout out always. Anyway, we got some stuff going on. Mark, what do we have going on today?
We have a little show and tell today.
Yeah?
We got a few things came in. We're trying out products and giving it the green light for it to go in all the rooms.
Yeah.
But we're going to show you a couple things.
Got some sample products here. Yeah.
We got a pretty cool safe to show you here. I think we have a bathroom faucet that we're going to do. Is that what that is?
Yeah, we have the faucet, some of the hardware for the new remodeled bathroom, right?
But the big thing is this baby right here. We're going to do a little unboxing of this cool fan that we found.
Yeah.
So I don't want to give it all away, but you'll see it in a minute. Let's go to the dining room.
In addition, here we have some new toilets, one for the restaurant main bathroom, one for the new remodeled room 101. And some other stuff came in, some more tile, of course, the shower floor. Check that out. Isn't that pretty? That's going to be nice in that new shower floor. But yeah, we got some new toilets came in. We're going to unbox one of those, just make sure it ain't broken. They delivered it and the boxes are still shut. So I want to make sure they're not chipped before we go to put them in. That'd be a real pain in the butt, right?
They got to be perfect. They got to be perfect before I personally blow them up. Oh.
Don't want to blow it up, a pre-broken toilet, right? Here's the progress of the restaurant here. Progress of painting. Look at this. It's all coming together, guys. This is like the first coat, and the trim work's not quite done on a lot of it yet, but this is the look we are going for here. And it's just looking better every day. These guys have been working hard, getting everything right. Let me introduce Frank. Frank, he is the hotel manager. He is the hotel manager, he laughs. Why are you laughing? You're the hotel manager, amongst the manager of everything. He's just the man that does it all here.
For you guys that don't know, this is also Hazel's father. So, he is a big key to this hotel.
Yeah, and he has a ton of hotel experience.
Yep. About, what, 25 years?
18 years.
18 years hotel experience in Manila.
Yeah. So he's going to be a great asset to us here. He already is, managing all of the construction that's going on, the painting, everything. So there you go. Frank, he's the man here. Don't look at me, don't look at Drake. Frank's the man
Frank's
here.
the man.
All right, guys, we have some stuff that we brought in. We're going to try this out, like I said, in the first room we're remodeling. We got some black sink hardware. Check this out. Isn't that cool?
Very cool.
That's a very well-made product. Got a lot of these things online, so you know, we don't know till we get them how it's going to be. This seems pretty solid.
Yeah, it's got this square modern look to it. I like it.
It too. Of course, we got the bidet, the black bidet butt sprayer. Got the butt sprayer. We'll open that up, see what that looks like.
It's the poo washer.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Very good. Feels like good quality, heavy.
Yep.
So that's going to work. And of course, looky here. We got a room safe, man. A lot of you guys are looking for room safes. Well, we got it. Just like any other hotel safe, put your code in. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. Push the little button, open. It's got a little red button in here. If you want to change your code, which you will be. Oh, who put all that in there?
Oh, I was looking for that.
Oh, there you
That's
go.
my milk tea money.
Milk tea. All right, and then of course there's a timer. Now it's locked. Just pretty simple stuff. It's even got a little slot, a little drop slot here. Metal safe. No more wooden box safes.
More wooden boxes.
All the safes here have those wooden boxes from 1987. So we have fixed that. Let's move on down here. What do we got here? I need a knife to open this though.
I usually have one in my back.
Oh, we got a proper knife. Nice.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's sharp enough to open this though. If that came out of your back, that must have hurt, because that was dull.
Usually a few knives in my back.
Let's see.
That is, it's definitely sharper.
This don't even cut plastic, man. Let's do the unboxing here of this item. See what we got.
Now, guys, I hope you like this product. We've seen this in another fancy showroom,
Yeah.
and then with a little bit of research, R&D, we went online and found the same thing a little cheaper.
Same exact one.
So we are excited to see this.
This knife, I gotta switch to a razor knife.
Uh-oh.
Look at that ceiling fan. That is cool. Very modern looking too. See if I can get this off out of here without having to keep using this knife. This knife is horrible. Look at that.
Oh my
It won't
God.
even cut plastic. Even the tip. No part of this knife is sharp. I've been better off cutting this with a car key.
Cut with the handle.
I've been better off using my car key. All right, or my motorcycle key rather. Man, oh man, I didn't know it was going to be this hard. Oh well. That's what happens when you're...
Throw it up here on the counter, man.
Yeah, there we
Get
go.
this out of the way.
Let's do it from here now. Let's see what this looks like. Well, it's going to be in a million pieces, so it's going to be hard to really appreciate. Let's see.
Maybe?
Yeah. See if you can pick it out of there and give people an idea somewhat what it might look like.
All right. If you're gonna break it right.
Break it in right. Here, I can just I wonder if you're going to assemble this.
Frank?
Frank, you got a fan for you to
Just
assemble.
kidding. Go kidding, Frank.
Yeah, just kidding. Must be the blade on this side.
So in case you guys are wondering, we keep calling this a light and a fan. It is a light and a fan. I didn't know they even made such a thing, so I seen them at the light store. But it looks like when you go to a hotel room, or even in your bedroom at home, you look up and you have a light in your bedroom.
Right.
But this, that's what you see, but then when you turn it on, and I don't know if I can, these are fan blades.
Yeah,
So
they just pop out.
I don't know if
I don't know
they'll,
if I'd break it if you show
yeah,
it.
let's not do that. But these fan blades, when you turn on, they extend out. So it turns into a big ceiling fan.
42-inch fan, I think.
42-inch ceiling fan. So,
They kind of come out from behind the light.
yeah, so you can either use it as a light or a ceiling fan or both. It's pretty cool. And
It's very cool.
once you see it in action, you'll probably agree.
Put this in backwards. I know I'm going to scratch it all up.
Yeah. So let's we'll put this back aside until it's time for Frank and the boys to do it right.
What else we got? All right, let's walk down this way. We'll see what we got down here. So, bidet, faucet, safe, fan, instructions. Don't lose them. Who uses instructions?
No, men don't use instructions.
We have some more black accented items here. Towel rack. Go to the towel rack here. Give you an eye. I'm not going to take it all the way out, but got a nice towel rack combo, little hanger for your towels or your night robe or whatever. Get the picture. Nice towel rack. And then we got the shower, all black rain shower right here.
Now let me show, since you got that out, we
Yeah,
pull this
just a
here out.
head for it.
This is the raindrop head for that. Now again, we mentioned before, a lot of places just go for that chrome look,
Right.
nickel look, but we went with the black hardware.
Nice.
I've never seen that in a hotel before, but thought it would look nice. Hope you guys appreciate it.
Classier.
Even you guys who don't want to use the bidet and then want to use the old school TP, you got a black tissue over there.
Yeah. Didn't miss anything out there. I think
Even,
we got it all.
even inside the shower, we have black racks. So,
Yep. Shampoo holding
Shampoo holder,
corner rack or
black
something there.
racks.
Yeah.
and you want to give them a sneak peek of what the construction here looks like, or
So
maybe
far,
not?
no. Let's get them a better complete visual
Okay,
tomorrow. Let's get
tomorrow,
at least through the bathroom.
Okay.
We'll show them the bathroom tomorrow on
Yeah.
the next video. It may be tomorrow for us, but for you guys it might be a couple more days till I get time to edit the video.
You guys are on YouTube time. We're on Filipino time.
Right. Hey guys, I want to thank you for joining us on our video today in the hotel and restaurant progress. Mercy didn't make it today. She was getting her hair all done up.
Yes, I missed the action today.
Yeah, well, we can use you tomorrow. We'll make you clean something.
All right.
I'm just kidding. She ain't cleaning nothing, man.
No.
Anyways, thanks for subscribing. Thank you for all your kind comments
Thank you.
and all those likes. Keep watching, guys. See you on the next video.